पहरेदारी बहुत होगी। अब प्रहार होगा।
Imagine standing on the razor's edge of reality and fiction. Ground Zero drags you into a war zone from the very first frame, a raw, heart-pounding opening that grabs you by the throat. A whisper of a warning, then fire erupts, 70 soldiers ambushed in Kashmir, setting the stage for a story of obsession, sacrifice, and redemption. Imran Hashmi commands every scene as the fearless BSF officer Narendra Dubey, and by the end of this roller coaster, you'll be utterly breathless. The film opens in 2001 with Dubey thrown into a deadly game of cat and mouse. A notorious pistol gang is terrorizing Jammu and Kashmir, and Dubey is hell-bent on tracking down its mastermind. His wife Jaya, Sai Tamhankar, waits anxiously at home, praying for her husband's safety as he rushes from one crisis to the next. But just as Dubey starts closing in, the Indian Parliament attack of December 2001 explodes on the scene, plunging the nation into grief and anger. Emerging from its fallout is Rana Tahir Nadeem, codenamed Ghazi Baba, a ghost haunting every event. Now Dubey's mission goes national, and time is running out. Driven by duty and loss, Dubey digs into every lead. We see him and his team decoding intercepted calls, chasing fugitives, and racing against the clock. A heartbreaking scene shows a young Kashmiri boy, Hussein, being lured into extremism by a fanatical imam. The film pulls no punches, showing how war steals innocence. Dubey refuses to see these boys as mere enemies. He treats them as victims too, even begging one to drop his gun. Meanwhile, an arrested militant named Ansar slips a crucial clue about a secret carpenter who built the terrorists' hideouts. Under cover of a silent night, Dubey and his team surround a decrepit house in Srinagar's Noor Bagh. At 4:10 a.m. they raid the third floor. At first it looks empty except for a wall mirror and a faint echo. The tension snaps when a soldier hears something behind the mirror. Dubey shatters it and a hidden door and bomb detonator are revealed. A deafening blast rips through the room. One brave Jawan, Balbir Singh, is killed instantly. Dubey himself loses several fingers and nearly his right hand, but he refuses to yield. Even bloodied and wounded, he kicks a live grenade away with his remaining hand, eyes blazing with furious resolve. Amidst the chaos, a man in a blue shirt steps out of the dust. It's Ghazi Baba himself. In a furious close-quarters shootout, Dubey and his team unleash a torrent of bullets. Ghazi Baba finally crumples to the ground, the mastermind brought down in crossfire. Victory is ours, but at a devastating cost. Dubey, exhausted and bleeding, collapses to his knees among the wreckage. The silence that follows feels heavy. The battle is won, but at a price we all feel. Ground Zero is as emotional as it is thrilling. We have watched a fearless hero survive impossible odds, yet we also ache with every loss along the way. The film never glorifies violence, instead, it lays bare its cost. That haunting question, Kashmir ki zameen hamari hai, ya yahan ke log bhi? Hangs in the air and forces both Dubey and us to ask what victory really means. Imran's raw performance and the tender, loving moments with his family deliver a gut punch of humanity. By the final frame, we are left sobered and inspired. It was a victory, but a hard-won one. In the end, Ground Zero feels like a tribute to soldiers who never gave up, and to stories that deserve to be remembered. It's a cinematic journey that will grip your heart and leave you thinking long after the credits roll. If you can handle a story that's equal parts action and soul, this film is a must-watch. Thanks for watching. If this review grabbed you, hit like and share your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe Movie Analyzer for more deep dives. Until next time, movie lovers, this was a trip to the edge of heroism.